Welcome to Life Hacks Daily, the place where we share simple tips that make your everyday life easier. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's discover 5 safe, effective, and super easy ways to repel flies at home. Tip 1. Repel flies with a water bag and coins. All you need is a clear zip bag filled halfway with water, then drop in 3 to 5 metal coins. Hang the bag near doors, windows, or your kitchen area. The light reflecting through the water and coins creates visual distortion, making flies stay away immediately. This method works best during the daytime, especially if your home often gets flies coming from outside. Tip 2. Use lemongrass or peppermint essential oil. Flies hate strong scents like lemongrass and peppermint. You can use an essential oil diffuser, or make a natural spray by mixing water, essential oil, and a little vinegar or alcohol to make the scent last longer. Spray around the kitchen, entryways, and trash bins. It repels flies while keeping your home naturally fresh. Tip 3. Make a fly trap with apple cider vinegar and dish soap. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a small cup and add 1 or 2 drops of dish soap. No need to stir aggressively, just place the trap where flies usually appear. The vinegar attracts them, while the dish soap breaks the surface tension and causes the flies to sink. You'll notice a clear difference after just a few hours. Tip 4. Use fresh mint or basil leaves. The natural scent from mint and basil leaves keeps flies away. Wash and dry a handful of leaves, then place them in small bowls around your dining table, kitchen area, or windows. For stronger results, crush the leaves slightly to release more essential oil. You can also grow a few small pots around your home. Tip 5. Keep your space clean and cover your food. This is the most important step and can reduce up to 80% of flies in your home. Always cover your food, wipe down your kitchen counter after cooking, take out the trash daily, and clean your garbage bin regularly. Most importantly, avoid leaving ripe fruit, sugary drinks, or leftover food out overnight. These are 5 safe, natural, and highly effective ways to keep flies away. If you want more helpful tips, leave a comment so I can create the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Life Hacks Daily for more everyday life hacks.